Right, hi guys, here's a little unboxing video for ye, as I just got a package from Amazon. Let's see what we have. The Behringer Xenix 1002FX. Let's take a look at what we get in the box. That's nice. UK style power plug. Weird type of plug socket. Behringer tend to do that though, like their own specific types of plugs always, which is a bit annoying. It's nicer when things work with different units, but whatever. User manual, quick start guide. Important notes. The sound quality may diminish within the range of powerful broadcasting stations and high frequency sources. Increase the distance between the transmitter and the device and use shielded cables. Blah blah blah. And block diagram. Useful for troubleshooting, if you're into that kind of thing. Behringer don't really do great user manuals. It's kind of a quick start guide, just gives you an overview of what the thing does, what the controls are in it. And then the actual unit. Is there anything else quickly new? Well packaged. A lot of wastage, but you know, still keeps it safe in transit. Scissors for this, and free silica gel, which is always great. So there you have it. It's basically I think it's a 10-track mixer, but it's 2 microphone inputs and then 8 mono tracks or 4 stereo tracks of line inputs. I bought this because I am planning on doing some wedding gigs with my girlfriend, so what we basically need is her on vocals, me on acoustic guitar, and then some other inputs just in case, maybe for MP3s or keyboards down the line. And it has built-in effects which are decent. I've used variations of this before at gigs, bigger versions, but they all have the same basic effects engine, and the the Xenix preamps, which are decent. There's nothing wrong with them. They're perfectly good enough to use live or in studio, really. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. And yeah, other than that, it's just a basic mixer with everything you would need for that kind of thing. So, cheers for watching. If you're interested in getting one of these, you can now see how it gets delivered from Amazon.